Back, you're watching Breaking Ground, and viewers, it's been 3 days since the release of the mythological action film Adipurush, and the controversy around the film refuses to die down. The filmmakers are facing flack for the dialogues, and now the legal trouble for the depiction of certain characters in the film is also mounting. A petition has been filed in the Delhi High Court by Hindu Sena objecting to public screening of the film, as they believe that characters that have been depicted are contrary to their depiction in the Ramayana. A complaint has also been filed by an NGO in Mumbai seeking registration of a case, as they claim sentiments of the Hindu community have been hurt and many characters were incorrectly portrayed by the filmmakers. Religious leaders have also demanded that the centre must ban the film and initiate a probe against the censor board for clearing it.
देखिए, वर्तमान में जिस प्रकार से हालात चल रहे हैं, इसमें जो फिल्म के बनाने वाले लोग हैं, लिखने वाले लोग हैं, ये अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि सस्ती लोकप्रियता कैसे लिया जाए, क्योंकि प्रचार करने में उनको पैसे बहुत खर्च करने पड़ते हैं। तो इसलिए जानबूझ करके और भी हिंदू सनातन धर्म पे ऐसे ही करते हैं कि जिसे हिंदू समाज को ठेस पहुँचे। उनको किसी की भावना से, धार्मिक भावना से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, उनको पैसे कमाने से मतलब है।
ये भगवान राम के चरित्र पर जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने उसको लांछित करने का काम किया है, ऐसी फिल्म को प्रतिबंधित करना चाहिए और भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति बिल्कुल भी राम का अपमान करने की इजाज़त नहीं देती। जो हमारी धार्मिक भावनाएं होती है, उन धार्मिक भावनाओं को तोड़ मरोड़ कर समाज के सामने प्रस्तुत करना और आने वाली जो पीढ़ी है उसको गुमराह करने का इस फिल्म में काम किया जा रहा है।
आदिपुरुष जो फिल्म है वो सनातन संस्कृति पर हमला है। हनुमान जी को, राम जी को एक भद्दे तरीके से पेश किया गया है, तो वास्तव में ये सनातन संस्कृति को बदनाम करने के षड्यंत्र है। उस षड्यंत्र का ही एक प्रारूप आदिपुरुष फिल्म है। मैं तो बड़े आश्चर्यचकित में हूं कि सेंसर बोर्ड ने उसे कैसे पास कर दिया। भारत सरकार को तत्काल इस फिल्म पर बैन लगाना चाहिए और जो सेंसर बोर्ड में जिन्होंने पास किया उनके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।
But amid the backlash over dialogues in the film, the filmmakers have now decided to rework some of the dialogues in the film and hope to reflect the changes soon. They say that they want a unifying experience to come in with the film and hence are open to making these changes.
मैं ब्रह्मा नहीं हूं कि मैंने कलम उठाई, लेखनी से जो लिख दिया वही विधि हो गई। अरे बिल्कुल नहीं। मैं राम तत्व को समझने का प्रयास कर रहा हूं, मैं बजरंग बली को समझने का प्रयास कर रहा हूं। 5 डायलॉग पे आपत्ति है, मैं 5 बदल रहा हूं 100%। और मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, आप बताएं, क्या इसके पहले कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके किसी एतराज पे किसी फिल्म मेकर ने, किसी राइटर ने कुछ बदल दिया हो? इस फिल्म में बदल रहा है।
And in the meanwhile, more breaking news update coming in, and this is of course with regards to the kind of backlash that the film continues to witness on part of the actor. Though in the film, the actor has also come out to slam the kind of criticism that is coming in. But in the meanwhile, according to sources, as far as the storm over Adipurush film is concerned, Manoj Muntashir has also sought security from Mumbai police. So you see, he's expressed apprehensions of danger to himself in the midst of the ruckus regarding the film Adipurush. The Mumbai police also in fact will take a decision on providing security after considering the actor's application. So that's the latest coming in as far as the maker's promise is concerned and the simultaneous protests that continue to be witnessed in several parts of the country. But the dialogue writer in this film has now come out to request or rather demand security cover. He's citing threat to his life amid the ongoing controversy. The Mumbai police, though, is yet to take a call still. So this is the dialogue writer who, of course, has faced a lot of backlash, and now he's come out to demand security for himself, that he wants security cover given the kind of threat calls he's received and the kind of social media criticism that is also pouring in non-stop against him. Now, Mumbai police hasn't taken a decision so far on providing security cover after considering his application as yet, but let me go across to Rakesh. Rakesh, how soon can we expect this kind of a development? Because with the dialogue writer now making an appeal to, be granted a security cover, the Mumbai police is yet to take an action. But given the threat that continues to pose in front of him, and given the kind of controversy that the film continues to make with the protest calls that are also being announced, it's a valid demand on part of the dialogue maker. राकेश, और जानकारी दे सकते हैं डायलॉग राइटर की रिक्वेस्ट को लेके सिक्योरिटी कवर के दौरान? All right, not quite sure if Rakesh can hear us, but yes, that's the latest coming in. According to sources, Manoj Muntashir, the dialogue writer of film Adi Purush, the mythological action series, the movie that has now been released already. It's been 3 days since it was released first up, but a lot of controversy doing the rounds really, with protests also taking place and demands being raised that all of those dialogues be remained. The filmmakers, of course, have said that they will go ahead and make those changes. With that, a short break here on Times Now. More news and updates continue on the other side. We'll be right back.